Hi kids, today we have this Hello Kitty box. Let's see what is inside. We have this board. So we have this drawing book and markers, and we have this beautiful stencils. This is the duster. This is the lamp, and these are the legs of the table. Let's make a table out of this. Okay, so we have put this red stencil over there, and this is the animals. Let's see what we have. So this is bull, this is giraffe, this is the elephant, this is the monkey, this is the cheetah, this is horse, this is goat, this is lion. So let's change the stencils now. Okay, so we have fixed this lamp. Now turn on its light. We need to put its shells over there, right? So let's try. Okay, so we have now changed the stencil, and let's see what is in this stencils, right? So this is the ambulance. Let's change. This is a bus, a train, a crane. This is a submarine. This is parachute. This is aeroplane. This is a spaceship. Now we have another stencil. Let's change. So now we have put this fruit reel. Now let's see what is in these. Let's adjust and set the reel and rotate this way. Now this is the watermelon, a pear, this is a cherry, grapes, orange, persimmon, pineapple, apple. Now this is finished. So let's see what else we have. We have these colorful markers and this drawing book. So let's see. Oh yes, we can draw the apple in the drawing book. Okay, but what we'll be doing is to draw the apple on the board. Okay, so let me draw an apple. Color it with green. Now the red. So this is complete. Now let's see how it looks. So we'll remove the reel and see. Wow! So this is good for the basic kids drawing. So we have different options in the reel to draw and learn the basic skills of the drawing. Okay, so let me remove it with the eraser. So we can erase this. Okay guys, let's see on the another video. Bye kids.